Young Hova.
Austin 316 na pick natin sa Goodwill for 3, na sold siya for $10. Punta siya sa New York. Kublai Khan, kasama yan sa wall natin sa Goodwill for $3 na pick natin, na sold natin for 13. Punta siya sa Indiana. So nakasold na naman tayo ng death metal shirt for $3. Na flip for 13. Punta siya sa Texas. And ito naman, fast forward from this part, may mapapanood nyo pa natin na ano to, na sold siya kaagad, oh. $5 natin na pick, na sold siya for 15. Ito naman pupunta sa dito lang sa Redding, California. Ito Spitfire na long sleeves. Kasama to sa na-pick natin sa Goodwill na mga band shirts. Ayan, long sleeves. May sleeve hit din. Meron din siyang back hit. Pick natin for $3. Na-flip din natin for $13. Pupunta siya sa sa Washington. Ito Technology crew neck, vintage yan, no? Lee heavyweight, na pick natin for $3. Na sold din for $10. Tsaka ito, laki na ito, nasa doorknob na yung height niya. Ito na pick natin sa flea market for $5. Na sold natin for 20. 1995 movie promo poster. Kasama rin pala si Ice-T rito. Ang hirap nito, baka magreklamo yung mailman ko pag sinip ko to sa kanya. Ayan, ang dambuha lang ni siniship mo sa akin. Kasi mailman ko, tropa ko rin yan eh. Nagja-jamming kami, Pinoy rin, Noipe rin. Baka sabihin sa akin, ano naman kabalbalan yan. Lagi kasi ako nagbibigay ng mga ano rin eh, packages ko. Ayan. Dated 1994. So hindi, ano pa to, upcoming pa lang 1995. Kasi nga promo nga eh. So bago lumabas yung movie, meron silang mga posters na ganito. Si Lori Petty. Punta siya sa, dito lang sa Sacramento. Ito guys, may magpa-pass by na may magtitingin na ito sa Facebook Marketplace. Ito yung mga skateboard na nabili natin. Ito sa Goodwill, nakuha yan sa Goodwill. Tony Hawk, Birdhouse. Ito Bones Brigade, Powell Peralta. Ito 5. Ito yata nakuha ng mga, nakalimutan, mga $10. Tsaka ito si Jason Jesse na Santa Cruz board. Ito original to eh. Hindi to reissue. Concave. Track niya independent. Sa mga skaters, sa mga true skaters, yung mga, hindi yung mga posers. Alam yan mga sinasabi ko. So this alone, mga ano yan, mga $200. Bahala na lang kung ano yung mapagdilan namin. Pero 3 skateboards ilalabas natin ngayon. Titignan niya. Hilahin na lang natin. Ayun na siya, nakita ko na. Day off ko pa man din ngayon. Pag nabili to, para akong kumita. Kumita ako ng day off ko, di ba? Para ako nagtrabaho na day off ko. Pag nasold yung tatlong yan. Which is Monday. Ang saya naman ng day off ko.
Aba, matindi! Wow, ang bigat!
What's up, man? Hey, what's your name?
Hugh, sorry.
Huey?
Hugh.
You?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm Ed, man.
Nice meeting you.
There you go.
Oh, sick.
Those are 6 boards, man.
Yeah. How much for these two?
For the two small ones?
Yeah.
Well, just make an offer, man. You know what they go for, right? I'm not gonna tell you stuff. That's
I'm not too sure.
that's birdhouse, man.
Oh, I'm not too sure. I'm mainly picking for
Oh,
little
really?
kids that
Oh.
family friend that just got into skateboarding. So
Oh,
nothing
man.
fancy.
Oh, nothing too fancy.
Yeah, just something to get them started with. Or
Well,
these-
these are the higher band. That's Tony Hawk. Oh, let me show you. This is a birdhouse, which is the reissue. But if you go to Sumis, man,
I bet they go for like 100 something at least.
around there.
Okay.
Around there. And this one is the Bones Brigade. Powell Peralta. It's also on a reissue.
Mm.
Okay, but you know the truck and the wheels, you know. Bullet, that's a truck.
Mhm.
But this one is a good brand trucks, Birdhouse. This one's the top of the line, independent.
See. Yeah, they look like they've been through a lot. Do you have anything more like beginner friendly?
That's what I had. That's what I posted. I was gonna take out the one on my wall because you were asking like if I have some more skateboard. The one on the wall.
I thought you just had a bunch of different selections, but I might pass on these then. I was just looking for a beginner
Oh,
one,
okay. But you know,
but I don't want to like.
no,
take
no,
time here
that's
to-
okay. No, that's okay,
Sure?
man. Well, it's there. You know, you could make an offer, but you know, if you check the comms, I'm not trying to rip you up, but
No,
you know,
that's
it
not
is
true.
what it is.
Yeah.
But if you want to purchase it, you know, which one are you thinking of? Which one are you eyeing?
Like I said, I was just gonna get something small because I have like a
Small? Oh, it's not gonna be
9-year-old.
for you?
No, it's for a little kid. They just got into skateboarding, so I want to get them started with something.
This one's pretty nice here. Check out the comps on this on
I do
eBay.
like- yeah. How much? do you
Try
guys
first,
for?
man.
Oh,
Just
I
make.
trust it. It looks good. It's not for me, like I said. It's for the kids. Just something to get started with.
No, make an offer, man.
I got
I'm-
like 40 on me. So
40?
low balling you. I don't know anything about skateboard. That's the thing.
Would you bundle? You want to take that too?
Yeah.
I give you a good price, man.
How much for? I mean, I got like 55 on me only.
Oh,
unfortunately.
55?
Yeah. So I don't want to lowball you either. It's not for me. It's for.
If you have 50, if you have 55, I would just take the Tony Hawk by itself instead of this one.
Okay.
Check it out first, man.
No, it looks good. Like I said, it's just not gonna be for me. So they'll be the one using it.
This one, so we don't waste each other's time.
Mm-hmm.
But this one is you know, it's higher than this.
You like? Okay.
Check it out, man.
Yeah.
You know Tony Hawk, right?
Oh yeah. I used to play the game.
The game?
PS2s when I grew up.
Even the deck, it's Mark Birdhouse.
Yeah, it looks nice. Yeah. Well, yeah. I don't know.
That one,
what to try,
I go for what you have, 55, man.
55. I'll take this for 55.
Yeah.
It seems like a good board.
But yeah. But if you want higher end, man.
Oh, I'm more of a lower end guy because, like I said, it's not for me. It's just something to get the little.
How
kids
old is
started.
your?
I have one that's 8 and one that's 13.
Do you live around here?
Yeah.
There's a skate park, Calaveras,
That's exactly where I live.
and there's one in Campbell.
Yeah, I live right there, so that's why they saw he has a scooter and he sees people skating all the time there.
Oh, he's just starting
so
up.
he wants to.
Ask
try
the
it.
skaters how much that board.
I bet. Yeah, I'll take them there, and then I'm pretty sure they'll see it and they're like, "That's cool for a
Okay,
little
man.
kid." So
Well,
yeah,
yeah,
show off there, but I'm sure he'll like it.
yeah. This one, you know, I could go less, but not this. But if you wanna come back, if you have another, this one I could go less.
Yeah, maybe.
This one I'm gonna keep this one, man.
I used to longboard, so that one looks a little better.
It's
for
concave.
me, Yeah,
The thing with that, this is an OG one.
yeah, it looks. I don't see those.
It's an
anymore.
OG, man.
Yeah.
You find like reissue. You see the name, Jason.
You used to skate a lot yourself?
When I was younger.
This is all your boards?
No.
No.
My original board was Nash. You know that brand Nash?
Yeah, I've seen it. Yeah,
The
back
Nash
when I
one,
was
yeah.
in middle school, people were.
Yeah,
riding all
that
that.
is a skateboard, man.
But yeah,
Anyway,
I'll take this one. This one looks good.
but you know, if you find a problem, just message me, man.
I got you.
Alright, see Birdhouse, man, right there.
Yeah. If anything,
That's
let
original
me know
Birdhouse.
if you have found anything a little bit more, not the higher end, just something.
This one,
that-
I go. You
Yeah.
want?
How much would you?
Just run over. I already have 50 from you.
Oh,
If
yeah.
you wanna come back,
I just don't have any more cash on me, but that looks good. Would you
I can do, cash up.
cash out? How about Apple Pay? Do you have Apple Pay?
No, I only have Zelle, I have Venmo, and PayPal. Those three.
I have Zelle.
Yeah.
Would you throw this for like another Maybe 30, 35? Is that too low for you?
Okay, that's 55. So if you do 35, it's like total 90, right?
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Let me get the Zelle then.
okay, so it's 408.
Give me a second.
Ayan na, binili na yung dalawang skateboard. Natira to. Natira si ano. So nag-deal kami ng ano, yung Tony Hawk, kinuha niya ng 55 cash. Which is okay na rin yan kasi nakakuha natin ng ano yan eh. Ng under 10 yata. Around there. Tapos yung isa, yung Bones Brigade na Powell Peralta, kinashap na lang niya sa akin for 35. So total $90 yung dalawa. Yung dalawang skateboard. So 10 plus 10, naka-profit din tayong $70 sa dalawang skateboard. Not bad. Tsaka ako nga pala, kanina nga pala nag-live selling ako. Naka ano rin ako ng 5 items. Bago before siya mag-show up. Kasi nag-pop up yung message niya while while nagla-live selling ako. Kaya inuna ko muna siya. Ngayon babalik tayo sa baka stop ko na yung live selling kasi nauhaw na ako eh. Baka ipapak ko na lang yung yung mga nasal na. Siguro mga 45 minutes. Naka 5 items din tayo. So ayan guys, tapos na yung meetup natin kanina sa marketplace, sa Facebook marketplace. Bumili siya ng dalawang skateboard for $90. Anyway, so may mga number siya, nakikita niya number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yung number 1 na niran ko kanina, hindi na sold. So nag-start tayo sa number 2, si Otani. Na-pick natin for $1. Fast forward from this part. Nakuha ko to, makikita nyo paano ko to na-cup. So yan, $5. Itong mga death metal shirts. Dito medyo nalugi ako eh. Konti lang yung naano ko rito. Hindi na nalugi, konti lang yung na-earn natin. Na-pick natin to for $3 something sa Goodwill. Nasold lang siya for $5 each. Tapos tatanggalin pa yung piece ng whatnot. So mga $1 each lang. $2 lang ang profit ko sa for 2 shirts na yan. Then itong Slayer, na-pick natin for $1. Nasold siya for $5. So $4 profit. Itong mga t-shirts na to, isa lang ang bumili. Pupunta siya sa isang person lang. Pupunta siya sa New York. Okay. Tabi na natin yan. Tapos ito naman itong Harley Davidson na button up. Ito naman nakuha ko yata ng $3 or $5. Nakalimutan ko na. Pero nasold siya for $15. So profit natin is $10. Pupunta siya sa Texas. So yun na yung live selling natin. Tapos ito yung pera niya kaninang binigay. Hindi ko pa binilang eh. 55 yung Tony Hawk na skateboard. Then yung Powell Peralta, another 35. Sa cash app niya sa sinel niya ako. So total $90. So for this day, nakasold tayo ng 90 plus 35. $125. Which is not bad kasi day off natin, wala tayong work ngayon. Nandito lang tayo sa crib. So naka-earn tayo ng 125. Good morning, good morning. Good morning sa inyo dyan. Although wala pang araw, susubukan natin mag-early hunting ngayon. Syempre, forma check. Naka-starter tayong Sharks na hat, snapback. Tsaka naka-movie promo tayo na Eraser, si Arnold Schwarzenegger. Samahan niyo ako, come on. Let's go. Dito yung traders, pipila tayo for the bag race. Trader Joe's. Bago tayo mag-hunting, inuna muna natin to. Dahil kay Macy's gusto niya. Papile up na yung line dahil sa bag. 80% Pinoy. Mahilig kasi sa bags yung mga Pinoy, yung Trader Joe's. Ang daming Pinoy ngayon dito. Which is hindi pa sigurado kung merong stock. Last time mas mahaba yung line eh. Pero ngayon medyo okay naman ngayon. Sunday, which is Sunday. Time check is 8 o'clock. Kanina 6 o'clock tayo umalis. Marami kasi tayong errands na dinaanan pa eh. Yan, yun.
To see if the lavender ones are available, but again, until they actually come off the truck, we don't know. Sorry.
Walang bag. Ayan, alis na. Sibatan na. yung kausap ni Miss kanina 6 o'clock pa raw nakalain eh. Yan lang talaga yung narita bag. Kaya uwi na. In-announce na walang bag.
Baka sa iba, ano meron na din?
Saan?
Sa iba. Sa Oman. Wala ba din?
Ito. Wow. Ibang strategy na naman ate. Daming noipi.
Kain na muna tayo dyan.
Yeah.
Okay?
Travis Scott na Jordan 1. 150. Ito. 150 size 10. Pero orig to. Cactus Jack. Makikita mo naman eh. 150. 150. Cactus Jack. Nakakuha na tayo ng mga pang resell, hindi mga nakuhaan kanina. Ito $5 each. Yung Harley Davidson na backpack $10. Naman Coca-Cola na si Dale, tsaka si Dale Jr. Clock. Ades, how much? $10. $10 si clock ni Earnhardt. Jameson. Yan na nilalagay yung sa bar.
Yung mga cup, yung
Yung mga shot glasses. Bullet beer. Mahal pa sila mag-price ngayon kasi maaga pa eh.
Hindi, pag tinawaran mo kasi parang nag-ano lang sila.
Hindi, tinawaran ko na yung isa eh.
Okay.
Sabi ko 15.
Ayaw.
Ayaw.
Parang
Better luck next.
nahuhula-hula lang.
Next time uli. Marami pa tayong makikita dyan. Tanungan dito mo. Ito mga Barbie dolls na vintage ah. Baka may Freddy Krueger dyan na
Mas vintage pa dyan yung kay Essie. Yung naman.
Freddy Krueger. Ito naman may Cartoon Network na na jeans. Ayan na, pambabae. Ayan. Powerpuff. Ang Cartoon Network pa yung taga. Ayan na, pambabae. Kuha na natin ito si PDD. Ito $5. Si PDD na hoodie, Y2K. $5. So nakuha tayong uniform. Everything dito $1. Dickies na uniform na overalls. Jumpsuit. Ayan, DOC, Department of Correction. $1. Si Jimmy Kimmel 1. Nirvana 2. Nirvana $1. Lexus. Shaquille O'Neal 1. Old Dirty Bastard, original member ng Wu-Tang Clan. Ace. Kobe na center switch. Si Hakim. Si Jeter, another Kobe. Tsaka to si Otani. Ito sikat na sikat to ngayon eh. Everything $1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 items. 12 bucks. Carhartt ng mga boots. Ito 10. Size 11. Ito 5 lang. Parehas na Carhartt boots. At ka nagtatago sa akin. Ayun, shield ni Captain America. Ay, ano? Malambot. Kala ko yung ano. Never mind. So guys, isa-isay natin yung mga na-scoop natin kanina sa flea market. Umpisa muna tayo rito. Bumili tayo ng 4 na shoes. Itong 3 to, Carhartt. Ito, 5. Ito, $10 to. $10. Sabi ito, 5 din, Timberland. So yan, naka-spend tayo ng $20. Okay, isa-isay natin yung mga threads natin. Itong Corvette na hoodie. Ang ganda niyang ano niya, bucket niya. $5. Si PDD na hoodie, may crown pa. Another $5. Tapos the rest, $1 na. Mga budget meal lahat. Dito tayo kay Captain Jeter. Si Captain, $1. Size niya large. Si Kobe, another $1. Ang size niya is large again. Si Shohei Ohtani, size nito is extra large. Another $1. Buckaroo. Si The Dream. Si Olajuwon. Ito Mitchell & Ness, printed tag. Size large. Lupit pa rin ang print niya, no? Hardwood Classics. Si ODB, another $1. Shaquille O'Neal, another $1. Tsaka ito, pan-listing. Kanina lang natin na-pick to, pan-listing. Nasold na natin to si kagad. Ang bilis na ito. Kasi ang ginawa ko, ito another $1 to, Oakland Athletics. Pero sinamahan ko siya ng mga pins. Ayan, pins lahat yan. Ng Athletics. Sinamahan ko siya. Kaya $1 yung jersey, sinamahan ko ng 5 pins. Na sold for $23 yan. Pupunta siya sa Pennsylvania. Okay. So ito ang find of the day natin. Ito kasi ano to official to na uniform ng Department DOC Corrections. Sa Eureka, which is sa taas lang ng Tiburon to So San Francisco, Tiburon, and then mag-Eureka na. So yan official uniform to ng DOC. Official siya kasi eto siya tinanggal ko yung ano niya, yung patch name niyo. Kasi ano ayan, hindi mo kasi pwedeng i-list sa eBay kung active, lalo na yung mga eto sa government o kaya sa police, mga mailman, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-list. Kaya ito nandito to kanina So ibebenta ko siya ng walang patch name. Yung name niyo si T. Pinkston. Siguro ano yung bata to, naglalaro to ng ano, Jackstone. Tapos ang bola niya pink. Corny. Anyway, napig din na nito for $1. May na-sold siya na $90. Tapos may listing na $130. Kaya lang yung ano naman yon, DOC siya pero Los Angeles. Yung listing na yun, nakita ko kanina sa eBay. So yan, napig din natin. Tsaka ito mga hats. Wala naman mga ano lang, pambenta. Dollar hats. Ito Matco Tools. Si Jimmy Kimmel Live. Snap niya made in USA. Lexus. Tsaka ito Nirvana. May spell na Nirvana sa likod. So guys, yun na yun. Yun na yung video natin. Kanina nga pala, may nag-upload sa atin kanina, Pinoy rin. Napanood niya ata yung mga videos ko dati. Shout out sa iyo kuya. Pasensya na kanina kung hindi tayo masyadong nakapag-jamming kasi nagmamadali rin ako. Pero salamat sa suporta tsaka sa panonood. Sana magkita ulit tayo sa flea market. Kilala niya rin si Kim eh. Siguro tropa ni Kim yun. Hindi ko rin ako in-name mo kuya. So next time sana magkita ulit tayo sa flea market. Salamat ulit. Next time again. Thank you for watching.